Hello, pumpkin spice latte loving people of the world, and welcome to Vlogmas with Mattless DI.
Hi guys, Mattless DI here, aka Matthias, and this is our first vlog of Vlogmas.
Bazing!
Do I have a prop in this? Yes.
Alright guys, so welcome to the first vlog of Vlogmas. I know I missed the first day, I'm sorry. It's been kind of crazy. My friend Nikki was purchasing the top mount, so I'm grabbing all the stuff off it so I can bring it to him at work. And then I also need to go there because we have that tire on the Legacy that is leaking from the valve stem. So he's gonna fix that while I bring it over there. So two birds, one stone on that guy. I just gotta get the shroud out of Chewy. That way you can have the shroud also.
Relative is strong as F. If you guys noticed, Chewy is in the garage. There's a reason for that. Got done talking to Josh. Auto ECUs, I kind of confirmed it with one other tuner. Auto ECUs, they don't let you enable the rear O2. So if I'm wrong on that, somebody correct me and let us know how to do it. But according to two different people now, I can't enable the rear O2 reading for that X series gauge that we got and put in. So Josh told me that he's about as far as he can tune this thing without it getting on the dyno because he really wants that wideband AFR gauge reading. Reason why Chewy is in the garage now, one, it's snowing, so it's starting to get cold. I wanted to keep it out of the snow and everything. But two, it has that built 5EAT. So I'm not gonna bring the car over to Josh to tune it on his dyno with this stock 5EAT in it. I want something that we feel comfortable pushing and being able to get the most out of it. So here in the next maybe a couple days, I'm gonna pull the 5EAT out of Chewy. We're gonna pull this 5EAT out of this car and we're gonna swap them over. All right, so I just got back from Subaru. That took way longer than I planned on because I hung out with people for a bit. I guess we're gonna go to Best Buy now and do whatever. So I have no idea. They just told me, get the hell home, we're going to Best Buy. Oh dear God, okay. Phoenix, stop! Oh God, Mochi, stop! Ah! Ah! Why? Why do you both do the licking in the mouth? Apparently this is our cool thing before we go to Best Buy is we're trying to put out a fire with wet paper towels.
You won't let me use the fire gun.
And I don't think you're going to be able to reuse those anyway.
Reuse the paper towels?
Yeah, they're useless.
It should be
The
fine.
Duraflame should be.
It needs to like be smothered from underneath.
Okay, well you don't have any fireplace tools. Do ya? That's why I'm breaking them apart and like I'm like doing that. Stop.
Whoa. Whoa.
We're using snow
apparently.
You want to go?
No.
Probably not.
Oh my God, why would you do that? Jeez.
Are you awake?
Just toss the whole thing in.
Smothering it.
Toss the whole thing in. Here, hold this.
It's so tight.
That's exactly what I wanted my girlfriend to say to me. I said, here, hold this. And she goes, it's so tiny.
Do you want to bite?
No, it's fine.
That dude has a
Oh, you have such a big mouth.
Stage 4 Magnum.
Thanks.
In his pocket.
Oh, Jesus.
I know my car.
Bring it on back.
You said you wanted to go. Well, I always want to go.
I've heard good things about the DJI Pocket. I don't know what I'd ever use it for.
I don't know. I couldn't tell you.
It says Pocket 2 3-axis stabilized handheld camera.
I want to get an FPV drone so I can fly it into my own head. I want to know if I would flinch. That thing's tiny.
What do you do with them?
Walk around and not look as awkward as me right now. For this small fee of 350 bucks.
Yeah.
11 black? They have an 11 now?
Yeah.
Dude, what is this, a 7?
Yeah.
They release GoPros way too often. We bought some things for the Oculus. I don't know why. We have problems. I think these will be a little nicer. Play Beat Saber and throw the controller through the window.
Me?
For me.
You mean you? You said you. That sounded so good.
Doors and Jade.
That was so hard.
Guys, what have I even made right now? What is this? Vlogging is so stupid. This is gonna be fun making more videos for you guys. So I gotta get this one out right now. That way I can start working on more stuff for you. So I have stuff to post tomorrow, and I have to do a couple of things on the car. So I should probably get to doing that rather than messing with this. So on that note, if you guys liked the video, awesome. Good. Cool. The fuck was I saying?